In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize your trackpad settings. So first of all, we need to go to System Preferences, which is the one that looks like a silver gearbox at the bottom on the dock. Open that one up. And in System Preferences, one of the things I really like is that you can search for anything. So if you're looking at trackpad, you can start typing trackpad, and you can see that the closer you get to the actual word that you want, the more it will narrow down the options for you. So you can sort of see here's trackpad highlighted for us. So when you click on the trackpad, there's lots of different ways you can customize your Mac. And I think this is really good because it means you can make your Mac do exactly what it is that you want. One of the very first things that new Mac users who are switching from Windows want to know is, where is my right click? So on a Mac, it's called a secondary click, which is this one here. I have mine set up so that I click or tap with 2 fingers, and it gives you a nice little video on the right hand side to show you what it is that it does. But if you toggle on that little arrow down here, you can see that if you're a traditional Windows user, you might prefer to click in the bottom right corner. So if you choose that, it will show you again a little video of what that looks like. Another thing that I like is this lookup and data detectors. I usually choose tap with 3 fingers, but you've got different options there. And this means no matter where you are, you can look up a word and it gives you a dictionary definition and a thesaurus definition. This is great for young learners, particularly with language. Another thing for Mac people and PC people is some people are clickers and some people are tappers. I happen to be a tapper, my husband is a clicker. So you can, if you prefer to tap to select things, so instead of pressing down hard to make a clicking sound, you prefer a light tap, then make sure you turn on tap to click. There are other things that you might want to get used to. To scroll on a Mac, you don't have to go to the right hand side to find the bar. You scroll up and down with 2 fingers. Now, some people prefer it going what they call a natural scroll. Other people prefer it the other way around. So have a play around and see which one you prefer. I think all of these other ones are really good ideas to have open. On the last page, more gestures. Sometimes you can accidentally go back in a window that you didn't mean to. So I usually unselect or deselect this top one. But everything else is a really helpful tool, and I would really encourage you to experiment with these, particularly app expose. If you've got a number of windows open and you can't find which one is where, then by using that 4-finger swipe or the 3-finger swipe, you can find them. So that is the trackpad. Have a go with getting yourself set up exactly how you like it.